Yeah, check out what I got from Xiaomi Youpin. Lexy Jimmy JV51 handheld cordless vacuum cleaner. It is loaded with 100,000 RPM digital motor, 400 watt total power, and 115 watt effective suction power. Yes, a powerful yet budget vacuum, and comes with lot of accessories. Everything is nicely packed and protected, as you can see, covered with plastic and held by foam board. Yes, there is multiple languages user manual including English and the standard Chinese. As usual, just go through it to get started in no time. Power adapter with US plug. It supports 100 to 240 volt input and having 0.6 amp output can fully charge Jimmy JV51 in less than 5 hours. Yes, removable battery at last. No need to worry about running out of battery anymore. Just get a spare one will do. Here is the wall bracket for you to dock Jimmy JV51 and another tools. Of course, there are screws to help you to install. This is furniture tool. Come with 2-in-1 design with brush on top for you to clean furniture, mattresses and curtains. The usual crevice tool, again 2-in-1 design with brush on top as well. Great for crevice, corners, folds and inaccessible places. The must-have extension tube. Perfect companion with floor cleaning head. Can attach furniture and crevice too as well. Floor cleaning head with large 50 mm diameter thick soft velvet. Loaded with independent motor which generate powerful torque that can cleanse all sizes of dust, hair and even dirt. You can remove the brush easily with just single click on the switch. Remove to clean it, reinstall after that. Yes, anti-mite brush is included. Again, it is loaded with an independent motor too. Perfect to clean mattress, pillow and sofa. Handheld mode only. As usual, you can remove and clean the brush easily with twist of the switch. Install back after clean will do. Lastly, this is Jimmy JV51 vacuum cleaner. Lightweight with super powerful suction. Separated on-off power button and speed mode switch. Easy to attach and remove battery module. Large 0.5 liter dustbin with easy to open dust cap. Multiple layers of dust filtrations including HEPA filter on top. Yup, just remove them one by one slowly will do. As usual, you can use water to clean them. Be sure to rinse them up before installing back. Alright, that's all for Lexy Jimmy JV51 unboxing. A detailed review is coming up soon. Do thumb up to support me. Thanks for watching. Peace.